strength, that people felt good about the country even though we've been hit on 9/11. Now we've been hit again in a different way. People feel lousy. People feel ashamed. And
saying, where is the federal government?
The country stands with you. We'll do all in our power to help you.
Right. There is no earthly answer that anyone can understand why these people, after 6 days, are still in this filthy, miserable convention center. Why?
President Bush don't need to be the president no more. President Bush ain't doing his job.
Thousands and thousands of people who have desperate needs 6 days later.
The levee's broke. The levee's broke.
Why the president did not send forces.
You got to get food to people.
I'm out here starving, hungry. I finally got me a bottle of water.
A major hurricane could decimate the region.
Then there was the problem of the breached levees.
Too many people died because of lack of action, lack of coordination.
And Brownie, you're doing a heck of a job. The FEMA director's working 24 hours.
Yesterday, FEMA comes in and cuts all of our emergency communication lines. They cut them without notice.
Their lives are in shatters. The region is torn to pieces.
Hey, we're outside of your house, bro. The tree just fell. I swear to you, school inches away from us.
As Katrina approached the Gulf Coast, Hurricane Hunter planes determined it was one of the most powerful storms ever to threaten the U.S.
So many of the people in the arenas here, you know, were underprivileged anyway. This is working very well for them.
And what they've done is they've locked them in there. The government said, you go here and you'll get help. And they didn't get help. They got locked in there and they watched people being killed around them.
Would the president please stop taking photo ops and please come see what I'm trying to show him?
If I can get gas and leave, I mean...
So you need gasoline, you're not getting gasoline?
We got there with our trucks, they got to work. FEMA says don't give you the fuel.
What else?
The police are buying up every drop of gas that is out there. They're mobbing the stores and they won't let no one get no gas.
Its primary mission is to get food to people.
Had Walmart deliver 3 trucks of water. FEMA turned them back.
No food, there's no water, there's no electricity, no ice.
We just talked to somebody else whose uncle is lying in their front yard and has been there for 2 days.
Cavalry's coming. The cavalry's coming. The cavalry's still not here yet.
that is because the failure of Bush to understand immediately the shame people felt. Sitting up there on the airplane and looking out the window was terrible. It was terrible.
Now, the president came here yesterday for a photo op. He came here for the photo op. He got his photo op. But we are never going to get this fixed if he does not send us help now.
Where is the help?
Get off your asses and let's do something. And let's fix the biggest goddamn crisis in the history of this country.
It's embarrassing that this is the anti-9/11.
We have been abandoned by our own country.
We have a responsibility at the federal level to help save lives.
We have come through what may have been one of the worst weeks in America's history, a week in which government at every level failed the people it was created to serve.
George Bush doesn't care about black people.
Here this hour, the images of the convoys going in, the armed guards going in, and you see the supplies going in. Why are they not getting to that specific location?
I don't know.